Again, this time with a bang. This is the wall clock 4500 range. This is another Kohi model. It's a super premium style. Then we have this one. Then we have this one. Then we have this one. All exclusive designs. These are all in the size of 12-inch size. The look is super premium. Then we have something like this, very premium, very exclusive. Then we have a cycle style model. Then we have this one, a pendulum style model. This is priced for 9,900. फिर ये वाला मॉडल है 9,075 रुपीज़ का, एक एक्सक्लूसिव स्टाइल एंड लुक. फिर ये एक बॉक्सी डिज़ाइन है फॉर 5,850. Then we have this one. This is 10,950. We have a gear clock for 8850. We have an exclusive pattern design. This one. This is also exclusive with the glass look. This pattern is quite exclusive. The backdrop is the glass. This is for 10,500. Then we have the top one for 8850. An exclusive pattern. This is a really vintage retro look. That's also super premium. Then we have this one. Again a premium style model. This is also super premium style. This is very classy. Then we have this one. That's also a very good design. The field look is quite amazing. This is a very unique pattern. Then we have this one in a Roman stylic. Then we have this one, very classy. This is in the range of 8,550. This one is again 8850 range. This one it's 9450 range. And we have super classy this one for 8330 range. All these stylings are quite unique and different. Then we have this butler pattern. This is also very unique style. Then we have this one in the Roman figures with the gear clock in the price of 16,350. We have this one in the classic pattern in the price range of 9950. We have this in a denture look, again a classic cult feel for 15,600 price range. Then we have this one, that's also quite premium. We have this butler wall clock, that's also an exciting feel. This butler design, it's a checkered print. This is for 9,000 rupees. This is again in the price point of 8,100 approximate. That's a wooden look. It's a surreal look. It's quite classy. Then we have the top one. That's also unique. Simple classy look. A thick border look. That's a pure wooden. The feel is quite. The numbers are raised. Stylish. This is the mother pearl dial at the backdrop. This is a cuckoo clock. This is another pattern. This one is again a classy one. This ये look भी काफ़ी unique है with the golden with the brownish wooden tone with the metal glazing. This is the mother pearl dial again in the size of 13-inch. This is a classy wooden brown tone with a Roman classy style. This is a clear number at the side border. Then we have this one. Different design. This is again a different look. Again a different styling. The feel is quite rich over here. The triangle shape, a different style altogether. Very superb looking, double layered. This is again in the size of 16-inch. Then you have a gear clock in this size, quite classy. This one is again great. Innovation and extreme exclusive look and feel. This pattern is also unique. The feel is quite unique and different. It's engraved figure with metallic balls. The feel is good. Then we have the real vintage look. The feel is very different. The spiky pattern. It's quite different. The look and feel is different. The design is quite brilliant in this. ये है 3.5 फुट की घड़ी, काफ़ी ब्रिलियंट लुक में है, काफ़ी मॉडर्न स्टाइलिंग में है. सेम स्टाइल ब्लैक में भी है. साइकिल पैटर्न, वुडन कट पीस, डिफरेंट स्टाइल.
फर्नीचर मार्केट में मेरे मामा मेरे रिटेल स्टोर पे मेरे मामा
ये वापस 3 फुट की घड़ी है, क्वाइट ब्रिलियंट विथ रोजवुड एंड ब्लैक कॉम्बिनेशन.
और लोग इंडस्ट्रीज में हम लोग मॉडर्न कॉन्फ़िगरेशन